Okay, here is a room tour of 2675. We are in the Surfside Endless Summer Resort. And I just want to say, this always happens when I'm on my own. Today is a solo trip. I was upgraded. I'm just going to go out. Here we are. I'm just going to say it. I was upgraded. Happens all the time. I don't know why. When I'm by myself, I get upgraded. Bought these on Chase Sapphire and got some 5 times points. And then they upgraded me. So I don't know if Chase communicates with the Endless Summer Universal, but they ended up giving me a bigger room. So let's take a room tour. Really cool hooks here. You can hang things from. Cowabunga, surf's up, dude. We got a surfboard divider here on the door. When you come in here, you have 2 beds, a couple pillows, luggage, doesn't come with the room. Here in the middle, you have a basic alarm clock. Now these are kind of like equivalent of value resorts. However, it's like value plus because they're really nice. This has some hand sanitizer. We got plugs, a USB and a USB-C, which is nice because that means they've updated it. So that's like now a standard. You get a remote, chest, kind of like stylish. Love these lights. They have a pull cord here. Pretty awesome. Totally like beach themed. You got some surfers up here ready to catch some waves. This guy's going totally tubular. Beautiful blue. Very calming, very nice. Blue and white curtains, sheer, with some blackouts behind. Here, tomorrow we'll look and see what our view is. I think we have a iDrive? Is that iDrive over there? I don't know. So confused. I just drove over from Busch Gardens. But yeah, not bad. We're on the 6th floor. Cool light here. Turn this down. Oh, thank God. So hot. Check-in took a long time. It kind of has a built-in, really, I don't know how functional this is. Nice big flat screen TV. We have a really neat art. It says, worry less, surf more. Okay, I will. Or ride roller coasters more. So I don't have a surfboard, but same idea. Surf the waves. We have a kitchenette here with a microwave, basic coffee maker, some cups. Wonder if the coffee's in here. Yep, we have some condiments, coffee. And then we have a refrigerator, basic fridge. I mean, do the trick. Wasn't planning on having a full-on thing, but love the art here. The color is absolutely gorgeous. You have this like picnic bench style table and chairs that has a bench seat, and then there's really a nice little edge seat there. Doesn't come with the food. I got myself a sandwich before the store closed. I've never been in this hotel, so this is all new to me. So let's come over here. And since I was upgraded, we have a 2-bedroom. Beautiful 2-bedroom. You have a bed, you have some lights. Let's turn those on. USB for charging. You got a nice kind of little closet here. Nice little seating stool. And then you have your sanitizer remote. Turn this one on. And yeah, beautiful room. And the art, love that art. God, I just got attacked. Love that art. Beautiful room, got some coral lights there. Those are beautiful. Starting to feel the air. Oh, it feels so good. It was a long day. And then over here, you have like a double sinks. Hey everyone, how are you? And it's always good to check. I'll give you some face soap, hand towels, nice little iron chrome thing here, towels down below, and then here's your shower and bathroom. Very good use of the space here at Surfside Endless Summer Resort. Oh, they even give you some soaps. Take that, Disney. They don't give you the pumps. You get the actual soaps. Very nice. Sometimes it's just better not to cut corners. Great job, NBC Universal. And then you have your little hangy thing that goes across for your bathing suit, which I will definitely be using. Oh, at some point. Put that across, and then you can hang your towels, you can hang your bathing suits. Bob's your uncle. Gnarly, man, catch some waves. So that's our resort tour. Let's give you a shot from over here. Very cool. It's gonna do the trick for sure. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. Very nice. Thank you for the upgrade, Universal. Gnarly. Hang loose. I'm going to enjoy this room for the next 2 days. It's going to be great. All right. Hope you enjoyed this room tour of Surfside. This is a 2-bedroom Universal Endless Summer Resort. And then we'll do a tour tomorrow, probably in the lobby and all that. A lot of people staying here. Huge, huge hotel. But you're going to need it when you open up a third park. So, all right. Gnarly, man. I'll catch you later. Hit that thumbs up. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, dudes.